Imagine this. A man starts a brand new company, no finished product, no robots in the market, no huge launch event, and still investors hand him $400 million almost immediately. Sounds crazy, right? But that is exactly what is happening with RJ Scaringe, the same man who built Rivian, one of the most talked about electric vehicle companies in the world. And now investors are once again betting huge money on his next startup called Mind Robotics. But this story is not just about money. It is about trust. Because investors do not throw hundreds of millions of dollars at random people. So what makes RJ Scaringe so special? To understand that, we have to go back a few years. RJ Scaringe was obsessed with cars and engineering from a very young age. But unlike most car lovers, he started thinking about a bigger problem. What if the future of cars destroys the environment? That idea eventually became Rivian. At that time, building an electric vehicle company sounded almost impossible. Even Tesla was struggling during its early years. Making cars is brutally expensive. You need factories, batteries, engineers, software testing systems, supply chains, and billions of dollars before even becoming profitable. Most startups fail long before reaching that stage. But RJ Scaringe somehow convinced investors that Rivian could become the future, and investors believed him. Big companies like Amazon and Ford invested massive amounts of money into Rivian. Soon, Rivian became one of the biggest names in the EV industry. At one point, the company became more valuable than some traditional car companies that had existed for over 100 years. That is how strongly investors believed in RJ Scaringe, and now history seems to be repeating itself. His new startup, Mind Robotics, has reportedly raised around $400 million, and here is the shocking part. Very little is publicly known about the company. Normally, startups need products, customers, revenue, or at least public demonstrations before investors risk that kind of money. But this time, investors seem willing to invest purely in RJ Scaringe's vision. That tells you something important. Investors believe robotics could become the next massive technological revolution. Factories are becoming smarter. Artificial intelligence is evolving rapidly, and humanoid robots are no longer science fiction. Some of the biggest technology companies on Earth are now racing to build them, and investors think RJ Scaringe could become one of the leaders of that future. There's actually a famous idea in Silicon Valley called the founder effect. Once a founder successfully builds one major company, investors become willing to back almost every future idea they create. We have seen this happen with Elon Musk, Jeff Bezos, and Sam Altman. And now RJ Scaringe is slowly entering that same category. Investors are no longer asking whether he can build a successful company. Now they are asking how big his next company could become. Of course, there are still huge risks. Even Rivian faced production delays, rising costs, and intense competition, and robotics could become even harder. Creating intelligent robots that can safely work in the real world requires breakthroughs in artificial intelligence, hardware sensors, batteries, and software. Many robotic startups fail because the technology turns out to be far more difficult than expected. But investors are still willing to gamble billions. Because if RJ Scaringe succeeds again, the rewards could be enormous. And that is why the tech world cannot stop watching him right now.